finding happiness and purpose. The purpose of our lives is to be happy, as the Dalai Lama once said. And remember, don't wait for perfect conditions to start. Beginning makes the conditions perfect, according to Alan Cohen. Mark Twain also advised us to throw off the bowlines, sail away from safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover. He believed that 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. Overcoming challenges. Aristotle once noted, "It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light." And Robert Frost succinctly put it, "The best way out is always through." Maya Angelou also added a powerful reminder, "You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated." Living in the moment. Elbert Hubbard offered a poignant thought. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. John Lennon similarly observed, "Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans." And Dan Millman teaches us, you don't have to control your thoughts. You just have to stop letting them control you. Following your dreams. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart, Helen Keller once said. And remember, go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined, as Henry David Thoreau advised. Eleanor Roosevelt believed, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Learning and growth. Ralph Waldo Emerson wisely noted, the only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Buddha taught us, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. And Lao Tzu reminded us that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.